Let's see how to use move command. If constrain is selected, the object will move either horizontally or vertically. It is similar to ortho command in AutoCAD. You will now notice that the horizontal wall also gets adjusted as both walls are linked. If you uncheck constrain, the object is free to move in any direction. By selecting disjoin, the horizontal and vertical wall are not linked anymore. You can also move objects by specifying dimension. By selecting constrain, you can copy and place objects horizontally or vertically. By selecting multiple, you can copy and place objects multiple times in a view. Select the objects and copy it to clipboard which you want it on various levels. Paste the objects which you copied to suitable levels.